In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your images to fill out the entire page on Microsoft Word without any white spaces on the edges or white borders, whatever you want to call it. Now you need your image. I'm going to grab mine from Google as an example. I decided to use something from fall. Now when I'm usually filling out a 8.5 by 11 page, in Microsoft Word, if that's the size you want to work with, I look for something that would go in proportion with that. So right now I'm scrolling and this photo here looks like the closest thing, right? So I'll right click on the photo using my mouse pad and I'll copy the image and I'll come back over to Microsoft Word. I will right click and I'll paste. Now as you could see, the image has a big white border around it because Microsoft Word has margins. So here is your ruler, here in your ruler bar. Like you could mess around with those and you could get like borderless printing, but I want to show you a very simple way that I use. Now on the bottom right hand corner of your window, there is the zoom bar that allows you to zoom up into a page. If you press plus, you're going to zoom all the way up into the page. If you press minus, you zoom all the way out. So I want us to zoom all the way out by pressing minus until we could see the entire page. Now if you try moving this image around, it won't go anywhere. So we're going to make a change by right clicking on the image, and by the way, I'm using Word 365, and I come down to wrap text and I come across, and I like to use in front of text, especially since you're not using any text. So this just changes how the image moves or doesn't move. So now you are able to move your image. You click, hold, and drag to the edge. You let go, and then you always resize by the 4 edges of the image. Never come to the middle of the image here, or here, here, or here. It's a bad idea. It will make your image look funny and distorted and out of shape. So always use the 4 edges. Now if I come down here, you'll see that there's a little white space left, which means that the image is not exactly 8.5 in width. Maybe it's like 8.3. All I do is drag, hold this part here, this I don't remember the name of this part for some reason, but this little circle here to the bottom right of the edge, when you see the 2 angle arrow pop up, you click, you hold, you drag, and you drag all the way down until it just fills up the entire thing, and you let go. And that's how you get images to be borderless in Microsoft Word. Now when I deselected it, if you look at the top here and at the side here, you see there's a little white space. If you want to get rid of that, you just click on the image again, and then you come out to the edge where the 2-edged arrow comes out, and you click, you drag, and you hold, and those spaces will disappear.